how to buy Octa render token. So this token came under the symbol of OR. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below. Unfund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them on the description. Sorry guys. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the SUI network. Now open your PayPath wallet or any wallet that you use, select the SUI as a network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here as you can see. Click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the token. As you can see, this is it now. After that, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see, as you can see, how much you receive. Now after that, it is simple. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy OR or Octa or render token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.